Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset the oil life on FordPass application in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to open the FordPass application on your phone. Over here, you need to make sure that your vehicle is properly connected and syncing. Afterwards, you just have to go to the option that says vehicle health. Here you will see the oil life percentage and the maintenance alerts. So in many cases, you can view the oil life here, but not reset it directly. In order to reset it, you just have to go to your car's main dashboard. Now here, look for the option of settings. When in the settings, the option shows in front of you, you need to look for the option of vehicle and then look for the option of oil life reset. After that, simply press and hold the reset option until it confirms. And this is where the actual reset happens. After resetting the car, simply open the application again and refresh the data. Your oil life should now show 100% in the application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.